Hey you, I'm Sarah Turner. I'm a freelance medical copywriter and copywriting mentor, and I want to answer a question for you real quick, which is who owns my writing as a copywriter? So, this is a question I get asked a lot, especially when people are starting out, because people are wondering, is my name going to be put on it? What does that really look like? And who owns the writing that I make? So, the thing is when you write copy for a client, generally you are writing it for them and then they own it, unless you negotiate something else within your contract. And so that means that your name generally isn't on it. And if you want to use it as a portfolio piece, you definitely should ask permission. So with that in mind, some people are kind of bummed to hear that. They're thinking, oh, my name's not going to be on the writing that I do. But here's why I think it's actually kind of awesome. One, I've always known that I'm going to write a book one day. One day I will write a book. I still don't know what it's going to be about yet, but I have total faith that it's going to come to me. But in the meantime, I get paid to write. And I get paid to improve my writing, which I just see as a beautiful gift that I get to earn money doing what I love, improving my skill for that day when I do want to write for myself. I write a little bit for myself right now. Honestly, I wish I had more time to do so, but you can always write for yourself on the side. So I also sometimes tell people, like, as a copywriter, you're generally like kind of a ghostwriter, in the sense that your name isn't usually on your work. And for me, another benefit of that has been when you're writing within a niche, especially when you've got a lot of imposter syndrome, which I definitely did starting out writing for doctors, as I'm sure you can imagine, you get to kind of build your confidence over time. And that's something that I really loved about writing for doctors, is they still had to put that seal of approval on everything that I wrote. They had to make sure that, it was researched well and it was accurate and straightforward, everything. Like, they were willing to put their name on it, basically. So it had to be good. And so that for me was a really big confidence builder when I was first starting out. So that is generally how it works. I'm sure there are exceptions to the rule. You can obviously always write for yourself. But I just really see copywriting as a amazing way to earn good money and to practice my writing skills. So that's the answer to the question that you might be wondering, is that your clients are who owns your copy at the end of the day. So I hope that answered your question. If it did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Share with me in the comments anything that you would like to see in the future. I love getting ideas from you guys. This came from one of the comments, so I really appreciate it. And of course, don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks, guys.